Welcome to Best Cars Review. If you love hypercars that push the limits of speed, technology, and exclusivity, you're about to witness something extraordinary. Today, we bring you face to face with a machine that redefines the future of Lamborghini, a car so rare, so advanced, that even the world's elite scramble for a glimpse. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, I'll reveal a hidden innovation in this car that's quietly shaping the future of supercars. This is the 2022 Lamborghini Sián FKP 37 Roadster. Lamborghini calls it their first hybrid hypercar, but this isn't just a step forward, this is a glimpse into the future of performance. And yet, they only made 19. That's right, 19 Roadsters exist in the entire world. Think about it. Billionaires compete for yachts, private jets, and penthouses. A broken bar but owning a Sián Roadster, that's a statement that you belong to a level above the elite. At first glance, it's a Lamborghini through and through, low, wide, menacing, but look closer, and you'll realize you're staring at the most futuristic Lamborghini ever built. Sián means flash or lightning in Bolognese, and this car lives up to its name in every sense. Lamborghini didn't just build a hybrid, they engineered a supercapacitor system that's lighter, faster, and more efficient than any lithium-ion battery on the market. This technology is 3 times more powerful than a traditional battery of the same weight up, and it's all about instant energy. No delay, no waiting. Now, under the transparent engine cover sits a masterpiece, a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, producing 785 horsepower on its own. But paired with a 48-volt E-motor, the Sián Roadster delivers a staggering 819 horsepower. This car rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 2.9 seconds, and its top speed exceeds 350 km/h, over 217 mph. But the numbers are just the beginning. It's how this car delivers its power that leaves you breathless. Let's talk design. Every line on the Sián FKP 37 Roadster is carved by science and art. Up front, Y-shaped LED headlights cut through the darkness like a predator's stare. The front splitter, the massive side air intakes, and the aerodynamic channels are each designed to cut drag and maximize cooling. Move to the side, and you'll see the golden alloy wheels wrapped in Pirelli P0 tires, hugging the road with precision. And at the back, a pair of hexagonal exhausts and those stunning Y-shaped taillights. The active rear wing deploys only when needed, seamlessly blending form and function. The Roadster's open-top design reveals an interior that's nothing short of a cockpit from the future. Carbon fiber surfaces, hand-stitched Alcantara. Every control feels like it belongs in a fighter jet. And thanks to Lamborghini's Add Person and program, no two Sián Roadsters are alike. Each one is tailored to every material, every stitch exactly how the owner desires. But here's where things get really interesting. Lamborghini didn't just create a hybrid to tick boxes. The supercapacitor isn't just a power boost, it transforms the driving experience. Under braking, the Sián harvests energy and stores it almost instantly. When you hit the accelerator, that energy is unleashed in a seamless flow, smoothing every gear change and delivering power exactly when you need it. This isn't just speed, it's intelligence. And here's a secret most people miss. The Sián's material science is next level. Lamborghini used 3D printed titanium to build interior vents that change shape according to temperature and no electronics required. Imagine that. The car responds to the environment without a single line of code or sensor. Pure engineering genius. Even the paint is a story in itself. Lamborghini offers a color-shifting paint option that changes hue depending on light and angle. What looks black from one angle gleams deep green or shimmering bronze from another. It's not just a car, it's a living, breathing work of art. Owning a C8 inverted exclamation mark and Roadster is more than owning a hypercar. It's owning the future of Lamborghini's DNA. It's a machine that blends tradition with the raw, symphonic roar of a V12A with cutting-edge technology that's decades ahead of its time. If you're as obsessed with this engineering masterpiece as we are, make sure you subscribe to Best Cars Review right now. Hit that like button if the C8 inverted exclamation mark and Roadster has blown your mind, and tell us in the comments, if you had one of those 19 legends, where would you take it first? We've got more secrets, more legends, and more hypercar reviews coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next ride.